Hi everyone, welcome on board. In this video tutorial, I will take you through how to accept and manage booking requests on the QuickGix platform. So let's dive right in.
After you have successfully subscribed to a service, the next thing you need to know as a provider is how to accept and manage booking requests on the QuickGix platform. So here, when you have a service booking or a service request coming in, so in this tutorial, you would see at this top side of our screen a new service request arrive, which shows that a customer has booked us. Okay, so when you see such a notification, you can tap on the notification. When you tap on the notification, it will lead you directly to where this service is located. So you see, I tap on it and it has brought me into the booking details page. Okay, so now after you've gone through the booking details to know the destination or the location of your customer by tapping on the view on map icon. Now when you tap on the view on map icon, you are going to have a view how long it is going to take you to reach the customer's destination, which is 1 hour 10 minutes for this booking, and the distance between you and the customer, so you can be directed. This is going to serve as a navigation system for you to get to the customer's location. Okay, so after you view this, you can now go back. Into your app and accept the booking after you are convinced of the pricing and everything. So when I click on accept, it says, "Are you sure you want to accept this booking?" I tap on yes, so I'm convinced on that. So you can now see that booking accepted. You get it? The booking accepted. So after you've accepted a booking, now if you are a big organization or a team or an enterprise, you can now assign a serviceman by clicking on this. Okay, but in this tutorial, since it's a one-man business, I'm going to go into the apps interface to click on either the call icon or the chat icon. So here you can see we have the chat icon. So if I want to talk to the customer, I can click on this and it says make conversation with customer. Okay. And then now it brings me into the conversation panel. So I can type, "Hi, this is your QuickGix provider." Then you can now tap on send, which the customer will also reply after reading your message. Right. So this is how you go about. In the event that you want to call the customer directly, you can now come into the call section. Then you can now add to contact. Then you call the customer. Okay. So because in this tutorial we do not want to call the customer, so we leave it at that. Now, after you have started the project, or after you've discussed with the customer and you have actually started working on the project, it is advisable for you to come back into the system and change the status of the booking. Okay, change the status of the booking to ongoing. So you may ask, how can I do that? Now you come down to the booking details page once again. Then in this section where we have accepted, this is the place where you change the booking status. You toggle this button, then you have accepted, then we have ongoing. Now when you do this, you tap on the change button. Once you tap on the change button, you receive an in-app notification stating that the booking has been changed to ongoing. Now, in the same vein, after you have completed the work for the customer and the customer has successfully paid you, what you need to do again is come and update the booking status, right? But to completed, sorry. So you update the booking status to completed, right? So when you click on completed, you have a new panel where you are supposed to either upload an image or take a picture, a photo of the work that you've done. So if you've already taken a picture, you click on upload image. When you want to take a photo immediately, you click on take photo. Okay, but in this tutorial, I'm going to skip this section. Okay, then now you click on change. Don't forget to always click on or tap on the change button. So when I click or tap on change, now we have booking complete, right? So booking status updated successfully. Okay, now you may ask, why do I need to do this? Now earlier on we stated that when you come to the QuickGix dashboard, the business summary page has a section or a tab which is referred to as total booking saved. Now you can see that previously I had 2, now I have 3. So this is going to record in time the number of bookings that you have successfully completed on the QuickGix platform. So this is how you go about with managing and accepting booking as a provider on the QuickGix app. Also, if for some reason you missed out on the notification, the service request notification, there is an alternative way for you to have access to the service request. So what you do is to come to the request tab. Now, when you click on the request tab, the first thing or the first service you see in the pending tab. So here we have all tabs, which is all the bookings that we received over time. Then here we have the pending bookings. Okay, so bookings that have arrived that we have not accepted yet. Okay, so since we missed out on the notification, you come to the request tab, then come to pending booking request. So now I click on the booking to view the details. Okay, we go over the same thing that we did in the previous session. We view the distance, then we go ahead after we are convinced of the details and everything. We go ahead to accept the booking. So booking status change and booking is now accepted. You go ahead to update the status as at when it is needed. Okay, so this is how you go about in accepting and managing a booking in the event that you have missed out on the booking notification on your phone.
This brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Hope you had a full understanding of the session. See you in the next video. Thank you.